Hi everyone, how are you? This is Sharique, and I just wanted to talk to you just really briefly about something that I'm noticing a lot when women join either, my group, the one I have now, or the one I had before this. I would see, requests coming in, and now, of course, I would go look at your profiles, and I want to see what you're all about and learn about you. And I would come to your personal page, and I would see nothing. And what I want to just really press upon you right now is just how important it is to take advantage of what Facebook will allow you to put on your personal page. I mean, obviously, we hear that we can't advertise our business on our personal page, but you can take full advantage of areas such as your intro and also, of course, about. You don't have to put your day job. You can put your business page and have a link there. You can also have a link to your group, like I have in my intro page here, my intro section. I have private group for ambitious introverts with a link that goes to my group. And I also have another link that goes to it in my about page. So that way I'm giving you several opportunities to find where I am and to look for what I do. Here you have my business page. So my pinned post is my group. This can also be your lead magnet. This can also be your lead offer. This can be anything that you want them to see first, and primarily when they go to your business page. So you see how you created this like funnel for people to go from your personal page to your business page to see what you're all about, look at what you've posted, and get an idea of who you are, and see, obviously you want to have some videos and things on there like that, but just kind of give them an example of what you do and who you serve and why you're in business. And this is something that Facebook gives you. So take full advantage of that. If you have not done this to your personal page, if you haven't, put anything here in intro or put something over here in about, and take full advantage of all the links that you can include, I definitely encourage you to do that today. Because if anyone's trying to follow you and look for you, this just makes it so much easier for them. And of course, when you get into groups, you want the admin to be able to see, okay, this person does this, I'll let them in my group, because a lot of admins are looking for a certain mix of people. They're looking for ideal clients. And so if you don't even identify yourself as being in business, it's really hard for them to know who you are and what you do. And so definitely, ladies, if you have not done these things, definitely make that part of your to-do list for tonight or tomorrow or whenever. But just make sure you do that to make it easy to be found on Facebook and for people to learn more about who you are. All right, ladies, that is my lesson for today, and I'm done. And of course, I will be back.